Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on a lot of creators' minds, finding the niche on YouTube to sell online courses. Whether you're a seasoned YouTuber or just starting out, finding a profitable niche can help you connect with the right audience and turn your knowledge into passive income. So let's get into it. Our first niche is, look, you guys know I'm passionate about this one. And for good reason, it's a massive market. People are always looking for ways to save, invest, and grow their money. It's something everyone thinks about. And that means there's a built-in audience for your content. If you know a lot about budgeting, saving strategies, stock markets, or even cryptocurrency, this is a goldmine. Think about it. Channels focused on finance can effectively sell courses on topics like how to budget for beginners or investing 101. These are evergreen topics. People are always going to need this information, and with finance being such a high-interest area, it can attract a committed audience willing to pay for valuable, practical insights. I mean, people spend money to make money, right? So if you can position yourself as an expert, you're golden. But it's not just about being an expert. You need to be relatable too. People need to trust you with their money. That's why it's important to share your own experiences, your own successes, and even your own failures. Be honest and transparent. Show people that you're in this with them. And don't be afraid to get creative with your content. There are so many different ways to teach people about finance. You can do talking head videos, screen shares, animations, even skits. The key is to make it engaging and easy to understand. Remember, not everyone is a financial expert. In fact, most people aren't. So, break it down for them, make it simple, make it fun, and most importantly, make it valuable. If you can do that, you'll be well on your way to building a successful online course business in the personal finance and investing niche. Next up we have, this niche has been growing for years with no signs of slowing down. And let's be real, it's not going anywhere anytime soon. Businesses, freelancers, and side hustlers all want to know how to get noticed online. It's the name of the game these days. If you're skilled in SEO, social media strategies, content creation, or paid advertising, this is a high-demand area. Think about it. Your courses could cover anything from Instagram marketing for small businesses to SEO essentials for beginners. You could even niche down further and focus on specific platforms like TikTok or LinkedIn. The possibilities are endless. And the best part is, this niche attracts aspiring marketers, small business owners, and even corporate professionals who are willing to invest in their skills. People are always looking for an edge, a way to get ahead. And if you can provide them with the knowledge and skills they need to succeed in the digital world, they'll be more than happy to pay for it. But it's not just about teaching the technical stuff. You also need to teach people how to think like marketers, how to identify their target audience, how to craft compelling messages, and how to measure their results. Because at the end of the day, marketing is all about results. And if you can help your students get results, they'll be hooked, they'll be coming back for more, and they'll be telling their friends about you. So if you're looking for a hot niche with massive income potential, digital marketing and social media is definitely worth considering. Let's talk about, people are always looking for ways to improve their health, whether it's through fitness routines, nutrition, mental health strategies, or mindfulness practices. And this isn't just a trend, it's a fundamental human desire. We all want to feel our best. And that's why this niche is so powerful. It taps into a deep-seated need. If you're a personal trainer, nutritionist, or wellness coach, you can create courses on anything from meal planning for weight loss to yoga for beginners. You could even focus on more specialized topics like stress management, sleep optimization, or gut health. The key is to find your niche within the niche. What are you passionate about? What do you know more about than anyone else? Once you know your niche, you can start creating high-quality content that provides real value to your audience. And that's what it's all about, right? Providing value. Because when you provide value, people are more likely to trust you. They're more likely to listen to you. And they're more likely to buy from you. Courses in this niche do well because they provide ongoing value and attract loyal audiences who want to maintain long-term health benefits. People are invested in their health. They're willing to put in the time and effort to see results. And if you can help them achieve their health and wellness goals, they'll be customers for life. So, if you're passionate about health and wellness, and you're looking for a profitable niche with a lot of heart, this could be the one for you. Moving on to tech and software skills. As technology becomes more central to our daily lives, more people are looking to learn in-demand skills like coding, video editing, graphic design, and using productivity software. It's no secret that we're living in a digital age, and in this day and age, tech skills are more valuable than ever. If you're skilled with Adobe products, Microsoft Office, programming languages, or even niche software, you've got a major opportunity here. Courses like video editing with Premiere Pro or Excel for beginners can be especially popular because people are always trying to boost their skills for career advancement. Let's be real, who doesn't want a higher salary? And the best part is, you don't need to be a tech genius to teach these skills. You just need to be a few steps ahead of your students. If you can break down complex concepts into easy-to-understand steps, you're golden. People are visual learners. They want to see how things are done. So, use screen recordings, animations, and other visuals to make your courses engaging and easy to follow. And don't be afraid to get hands-on. Give your students real-world projects to work on. Let them apply what they're learning in a practical way, because at the end of the day, that's what it's all about, right? Helping people gain practical skills that they can use in their everyday lives. So, if you're tech savvy and you're looking for a way to share your knowledge with the world, this could be the perfect niche for you. Chapter 5. Language Learning. Unlocking Global Opportunities with Language Courses. Another fantastic niche is language learning. There's a huge demand for language courses, whether it's English, Spanish, Mandarin, or less common languages. Think about it. The world is becoming increasingly interconnected. People are traveling more, they're working remotely for companies all over the world, and they're consuming content from all corners of the globe. Knowing a second language is no longer just a nice to have, it's a necessity. If you're a polyglot or a language instructor, you can attract students from all over the world. For example, you could offer courses like Conversational Spanish for Beginners or Mastering English Pronunciation. You could even focus on niche languages like Japanese or Arabic. The possibilities are endless. Language learners are highly engaged, and many are willing to invest in high-quality structured courses that take them beyond basic lessons. They want to be fluent, they want to be able to hold conversations, they want to be able to understand the culture, and they're willing to pay for it. But it's not just about teaching grammar and vocabulary. You also need to teach people how to learn a language effectively, how to stay motivated, how to overcome language barriers, how to immerse themselves in the culture. Because at the end of the day, learning a language is about more than just memorizing words. It's about connecting with people from all over the world. And that's a powerful thing. Chapter 6. Career Development and Productivity. Guiding Success in Life and Work. And let's not forget career development and productivity. If you're a career coach or know how to help people maximize their efficiency, this niche is for you. People want to succeed in their careers and personal lives, so courses on how to build a personal brand, productivity hacks for remote workers, or even ace your job interview can be highly marketable. Especially in today's fast-paced world, career-focused courses offer lasting value. People are feeling burnt out, they're feeling overwhelmed, they're feeling like they're constantly playing catch-up. If you can teach people how to be more productive, how to manage their time effectively, and how to achieve their goals, you'll be a lifesaver. But it's not just about working harder, it's about working smarter. It's about finding a balance between your work life and your personal life. It's about designing a life that you love, and that's what people are really looking for. They're not just looking for a job, they're looking for fulfillment. They're looking for purpose. If you can help them find that, you'll be rewarded handsomely. Chapter 7. Arts and Hobbies. Sharing your passion, igniting creativity. Finally, we have arts and hobbies. This niche covers creative skills like photography, painting, writing, music, and more. If you're an artist, musician, or crafter, you can create courses to teach others how to get started in your field. Courses like Portrait Photography Basics or Intro to Acrylic Painting do really well, especially since people often take up hobbies for personal fulfillment. And because many viewers want a step-by-step learning experience, online courses in this niche tend to do really well. People are looking for creative outlets. They're looking for ways to express themselves. They're looking for ways to relax and de-stress. And what better way to do that than by learning a new skill? If you're passionate about your hobby and you're good at it, there's no reason why you can't turn it into a profitable online course business. But it's not just about teaching the technical skills, it's about sharing your passion. It's about inspiring others to tap into their own creativity. It's about building a community of like-minded individuals who share your love for the craft. Because at the end of the day, that's what it's all about, right? Connecting with others and sharing your passions with the world. Outro: finding your perfect niche. The sky's the limit. Alright, let's do a quick recap. Here are the 7 best YouTube niches for selling online courses. 1. Personal finance and investing. 2. Digital marketing and social media. 3. Health, fitness, and wellness. 4. Tech and software skills. 5. Language learning. 6. Career development and productivity. 7. Arts and hobbies. Each of these niches attracts a dedicated audience, and they're willing to pay for quality courses that help them achieve their goals. So there you have it. If you're looking to create an online course, choosing a strong niche is key to reaching a profitable and engaged audience. Remember, the best niches are the ones that combine your passion with market demand. And when you find that perfect fit, the sky's the limit. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and let us know in the comments which niche you're thinking of diving into. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.